How to scan handwriting on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can scan handwriting on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to keep in mind is that you'll need to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. For that, head over to your settings. On your settings, go to General, and on your General, head over to Software Update. There, if you find an update, tap on Update and update your version. After doing that, you must have the latest version or the feature which enables you to scan handwriting. Now, what you'll need to do after you've done that is head over to your Notes app. So open up your Notes app, and after you've done that, I'll just create a new note. And after you've created a new note, you can simply long press on your, uh, you know, long press on your text area, and there you'll find a scan option. If you don't find it there, you can simply find that in your scan section. Let me just tap on this insert link option, that is the pin one on the bottom. Tap on that, and there you will see an option that says scan text. Tap on scan text, and you will have a half part, that is your camera, and then you will see an option find nearby text to insert. So you can simply choose the text, or go through your text, and after you're satisfied with your text, tap on insert. After that, you can edit few mistakes that you might have on your text. And yeah, that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you scan a handwriting on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.